Have you ever heard of a man so loved that millions of people travel from around the world just to visit him? This is the holy shrine of Imam Reza, the 8th Imam of Islam, and a descendant of the Prophet Muhammad. People don't just come here for peace. They come with love, faith, and hopes of having their prayers answered. But who is Imam Reza, and why is he so special? Let me tell you. This is the city of Mashhad in Iran, home to the shrine of Imam Reza. Millions of people visit this place every year, not just from Iran, but from Iraq, Pakistan, India, Lebanon, and even Western countries. They come with love, devotion, and hopes of receiving blessings. But who was Imam Reza? Many people around the world have never heard of him. Imam Reza was the 8th Imam of Islam, a direct descendant of Prophet Muhammad. He lived in the 9th century and was known for his wisdom, kindness, and deep knowledge of faith and science. In Shia Islam, Imams are chosen by God to be spiritual leaders after Prophet Muhammad. Imam Reza was not the first Imam. He was the 8th in a line of 12 Imams, each of whom carried the Prophet's knowledge and spiritual authority. People loved him because he was compassionate, humble, and always ready to help others. Even non-Muslims admired his wisdom. He had discussions with scholars of different religions, explaining Islamic teachings with logic and kindness. His knowledge was so vast that he was given the title Alim Ali Muhammad, which means the scholar of the family of Muhammad. Today, Imam Reza's shrine is one of the most sacred places for Muslims. People believe that visiting him brings spiritual rewards and that he intercedes for those who seek his help. That is why you see so much devotion here. This is not just a historical site. It is a place of faith, love, and deep spiritual connection. The shrine of Imam Reza is one of the largest religious sites in the world, designed to welcome millions of visitors every year. It is constantly being expanded and beautified to create a peaceful and comfortable space for pilgrims. There are special halls called rawaq where visitors can rest. For example, there is a dedicated area for women to relax when they feel tired. And if you ever visit, don't miss the tea houses. There are 2 tea houses inside the shrine that serve free tea and herbal drinks to everyone. You can have as much as you want, and the volunteers serve it with a smile. That's the shot. The shrine servants are known for their kindness. They don't just work here, they serve out of love for Imam Reza. They believe that every visitor is a guest of the Imam. And since Imam Reza cares deeply for his guests, they do everything they can to make people feel welcome. From the stunning architecture to the warm hospitality, everything here is designed to make visitors feel at peace. This is more than just a place of worship. It's a place of love, service, and spiritual connection. Imam Reza was not only loved by the people but also feared by those in power. At the time, the ruler of the Muslim world was Al-Ma'mun the Abbasid Khalif. He saw Imam Reza as a threat because of his wisdom, popularity, and rightful claim to leadership. To control him, Al-Ma'mun brought Imam Reza from his home in Medina to Khorasan, in present-day Iran. He forced him to accept the title of Crown Prince, hoping to weaken his influence. But Imam Reza never sought power. His only mission was to guide people to truth and justice. Realizing that Imam Reza's presence only increased his popularity, Al-Ma'mun decided to get rid of him. According to historical accounts, he poisoned the Imam by mixing poison into a bowl of pomegranates or grapes. After suffering greatly, Imam Reza passed away in the year 818 CE. His martyrdom was a great tragedy, but his legacy lives on. Even today, millions of people visit his shrine, seeking his blessings and remembering his sacrifice. The love for Imam Reza did not die with him, it only grew stronger. If you've never heard of Imam Reza before, I encourage you to learn more, not just about him, but about all the Imams of Islam. Their lives are full of wisdom, sacrifice, and guidance that can inspire anyone, regardless of their background. If you ever have the chance, visit Mashhad and experience this place for yourself. Many people say that being here feels like stepping into paradise, a place of peace, spirituality, and connecting to something greater. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Fatima Islam, and thank you for watching.